In this short presentation, Safe Thermometer Use, we will supplement the information learned in our basic food safety series. Foods must be cooked and held at correct temperatures, and cooks must use a metal stem or digital thermometer to ensure that meat, poultry, seafood, and other cooked foods reach safe minimum internal temperatures. In the basic food safety series, we focused on temperature control and understanding the temperature danger zone. In this segment, we will expand your knowledge of temperature control by discussing thermometer use in depth.
Among all the tools used in food service, the thermometer provides the best indication of food temperature safety. Metal stem or dial thermometers are commonly used in food service. They work well for taking temps in thick food when used properly. When using a dial thermometer or similar device, the stem must be pushed several inches into food and left in for at least 20 seconds. Due to depth required for accuracy, it should not be used for thin foods such as hamburger patties. Digital thermometers have digital numbers rather than a dial and are easy to read, quick, and better for measuring temperatures in thin foods. Use a food thermometer whenever you prepare hamburgers, poultry, roasts, chops, egg casseroles, meatloaves, and other combination dishes. Food thermometers should be capable of measuring temps from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Check the accuracy of a thermometer by putting the sensor in a cup of crushed ice and water. It should read 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If it doesn't show that temp, it should be adjusted or replaced. Calibrate all thermometers periodically following manufacturer's directions. An unsanitized thermometer is a food safety hazard rather than a preventive tool. Clean and sanitize whenever a thermometer probe has been used, set down on an unsanitized surface, or otherwise contaminated. When inserting into a poultry breast, insert from the side. This is easier to read and more accurate than when inserted from the top. Dial thermometers should have the stem inserted straight into the food or at an angle about 2 inches into the thickest part of the food without touching bone or fat. The stem must be pushed several inches into the food and left in for at least 20 seconds. Digital thermometer stems should be inserted about a ½ inch or less straight into the center of the thickest part of food or at an angle without touching bone or fat. The temperature takes 5 seconds to appear.
Here is a review of the key points of proper thermometer use. Thermometers are the best way to indicate if a food is safe to eat. Know the proper internal cooking temperatures for hamburgers, poultry, roasts, chops, egg casseroles, meatloaves, and other combination dishes. There are 2 types of probe thermometers, dial and digital. Metal stem or dial thermometers are best used for measuring the heat of thick foods. Digital thermometers are easy to read, quick, and better for measuring temperatures in thin foods. Know the proper techniques for each type of thermometer. Dial thermometers measure 2 inches deep for 20 seconds, and digital thermometers measure a ½ inch deep for 5 seconds. Calibrate all thermometers periodically. Never use a used or dirty thermometer, as it is a food safety hazard. Always wash and sanitize thermometers between uses. For more information on food safety, including proper cook temperatures, check out our 6-part series on basic food safety and our other supplemental videos. And remember, to be safe, it saves lives.